Ever wondered what makes a man truly commit? Could it be something as simple as understanding his deepest desires and fears? Keep watching, because what you're about to learn might just change everything. 1. Understand his core needs. Have you ever thought about what truly drives a man? Beyond the surface, men have deep-seated needs that, when met, make them more likely to commit. The need for respect, for instance, cannot be overstated. A man who feels respected by his partner is more inclined to see her as a long-term companion. Showing genuine appreciation for his efforts, valuing his opinions, and supporting his dreams can create a bond that goes beyond physical attraction. Another key need is emotional security. Men, just like women, crave a safe space to express their vulnerabilities without judgment. By fostering an environment where he feels understood and accepted, you're setting the stage for a deeper connection. 2. Be authentic. What does authenticity mean to you? Men are drawn to women who are true to themselves, who don't pretend to be someone they're not just to impress. Authenticity creates trust, and trust is the cornerstone of any lasting relationship. Show your quirks, share your true feelings, and don't be afraid to disagree. This genuine approach allows him to see the real you and makes him more comfortable sharing his true self. It's this mutual authenticity that fosters a stronger bond and encourages him to commit. Remember, authenticity is about being comfortable in your own skin and showing it to the world, imperfections and all. 3. Foster mutual growth. How important is personal growth in a relationship? Extremely! A relationship should be a partnership where both individuals encourage each other to grow. When a man sees that you are committed to your own growth and his, it creates a powerful dynamic. Support his aspirations, celebrate his achievements, and encourage him during setbacks. Likewise, pursue your passions and goals, showing that you are not solely dependent on the relationship for your happiness. This mutual respect for each other's growth not only strengthens your bond, but also makes him see you as a valuable partner in his life journey. 4. Share your vulnerabilities. Is vulnerability a weakness or a strength? Sharing vulnerabilities can be incredibly powerful in building a deep emotional connection. When you open up about your fears, dreams, and insecurities, it encourages him to do the same. This exchange of intimate thoughts and feelings fosters trust and intimacy, making him feel more connected to you. It's not about burdening him with your problems, but rather about showing that you trust him enough to share your true self. This mutual vulnerability can significantly strengthen your bond and increase his desire to commit to a relationship where he feels truly understood and valued. 5. Create shared experiences. Why are shared experiences so important in a relationship? They create lasting memories and deepen your bond. Engaging in activities that both enjoy, exploring new places together, or even tackling challenges as a team can create a sense of unity and partnership. These experiences build a history together that becomes a foundation for the future. They remind him of the good times and the connection you share, making him more inclined to see a future with you. Shared experiences don't have to be grand adventures. Even small, everyday moments can be incredibly meaningful and bonding. Six, respect his independence. How do you balance closeness with independence? It's crucial to respect each other's personal space and independence. A man needs to know that he can pursue his interests and spend time with his friends without it affecting your relationship. This respect for his independence shows that you trust him and value his individuality. It also allows the relationship to breathe and grow in a healthy way. Encourage him to take time for himself and do the same for yourself. This balance helps to maintain a healthy, dynamic relationship where both partners feel free and valued. 7. Communicate openly and honestly. Ever wondered why communication is often called the backbone of a relationship? Open and honest communication is essential for understanding each other's needs and resolving conflicts. It's not just about talking, but also about listening and understanding. Discuss your feelings, dreams, and even your doubts openly. When conflicts arise, approach them with a calm and understanding attitude. This transparency builds trust and shows him that you are someone he can count on, no matter what. Effective communication not only resolves issues, but also strengthens the emotional bond, making him more likely to commit. 8. Show consistent support. How do you show support in a way that really matters? Consistent support means being there for him during the highs and lows. Celebrate his successes, no matter how small, and stand by him during challenging times. Your unwavering support shows that you are a reliable partner who genuinely cares about his well-being. This kind of consistency builds a strong foundation for the relationship, making him feel secure and valued. When a man knows that you have his back, it reinforces his trust and deepens his commitment to the relationship. 9. Keep the passion alive. Why is passion important in a long-term relationship? Passion keeps the spark alive and maintains the excitement in the relationship. It's not just about physical intimacy, but also about emotional and intellectual connection. Flirt with him, surprise him with thoughtful gestures, and keep exploring each other's interests and desires. This ongoing passion and effort show that you are invested in the relationship and value the connection you share. Keeping the passion alive requires effort and creativity, but it significantly contributes to his desire to commit and build a future together. 10. Be his safe haven. What does it mean to be someone's safe haven? Being his safe haven means creating a space where he feels completely accepted and loved. It's about providing emotional support and understanding without judgment. When he knows that he can come to you with his deepest fears and greatest dreams, it builds a profound trust and emotional connection. This sense of security and unconditional support makes him feel more committed to you. Being a safe haven is not about solving his problems, but about being there, listening, and showing that you care deeply about his well-being. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.